everybody. As you can see, it's a very foggy morning this morning. I'm just trying to get the good old windscreen. You know, this is the good old van life when you have wet windscreens in the morning. It's Tuesday, so we're back to Iain's today. We've got the fuel sender pipe spare at last. So we're going to go back and see if we can finish fitting the diesel heater. And so we can have some heat and dry out this car. I'll be using a standalone radiator here, just plugged into the bungalow, which means we don't get heat, we're away from it. And it's cost me a fortune in the electric. So hopefully with the diesel heater we'll be able to blow through everywhere and get all the dry heat in here and clean these windscreens a bit. I really need to find something to put on these windscreens to stop condensation in the winter. The ambulance get past okay. There you go, if you can get past okay, just to prove I don't take any space up. Yeah, so literally missed a bit. I've had fun sorting out these controls here. I finally found the one that actually gets the heat on the top. You know, it's not very good. You need to even sort the fan out in this fan again as well. So anyway, I'm waffling. I'll see you at Iain's and see how things go. Bye for now. Oh, we've arrived. It's a much better day. Come here, Spirit. Just put the pram outside for the cats and put them on their tether. Come on in, stop being nosy. Good boy. And you dinner up, have you, Bram? There you go, good lad. Alright, you sit there. Good boy. Hot. Blue skies. Fingers crossed. They both settle down outside on the pram now. Chief's on the bottom. The Spirit's on the top. So they just suss everything out and work out what they want to do. As you can see, they trust the pram as much as they trust the van to be their safe space. So they'll enjoy watching from there. Good girl, good boy. And they can see all the yard from here. And what I love about this van is I'm just sat on the step here on my cushion. 3 steps. So even I can sit in the drive if it's raining while they're outside. It's just so good, these steps and this access and this door. Starting off with a quick walk down the field while Iain's having a quick go on the van, and I'll settle the cats down and then go to bed afterwards and a little bit of explore down in the sunshine. It's nice to be able to take both of them with the pram down here. Jump down by the duck pond. They're babies. Oh, what's down here, Chief? Lots of flying ducks and pheasants down here, so they enjoy this. Good girl, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Spirit. not taken Spirit to water yet. Mischief's very nervous around water, so he's just had a drink out of it, which is great. Connor used to paddle in water, she loved water. So if Spirit can give Mischief some confidence to go to the water, that'd be really good. There you go, he's drinking again. That's brilliant. Good boy, Spirit. I might even teach him to paddle later. He's probably brave enough to do that in the summer. Oh, what are you hunting, Chi-Chi? Again, she's obviously very anxious, very aware, very wary. She'll make sure she knows what's going on and is safe. Need just bold and brush. Look first, worry about it later. Beautiful day down here. All the fog and the mist and the dew. All being burnt off by the sun. Iain asked for sun. He certainly got it. What are you licking the ground for? Oh, he's licking feathers. What you found? There's obviously a lot of duck smells here and pheasants and rabbits. Perfect little place to scout out. Good boy, Spirit, you're right. Good boy. Good girl, TG. Being brave, good girl. Yay, good babies. The ducks were in that far corner, but he jumped out the pond now and got up into their houses. Isn't it beautiful here? Good girl, Mischief. We're being brave. Good boy, Spirit. Yay, Chief, have a drink. Good girl. Good girl, Chief. Yay. Good boy, Spirit. Big white thing, and he's sort of stooping down low to be stealthy. Nice to have them both walking again. The Spirit's getting a lot more confident. They generally ride down initially to sort of suss out where we are, and then they jump out and have a look around. This way then, Spirit, good boy. So he takes a lot of the lead from Mischief, even though he's quite forward. She obviously teaches him to hunt. Good boy. All right, darling. He's a good boy. Get ahead so I don't get so tangled with the leads. Come back to the van then. She's one of the little fun. Thank you, Mummy. Give them a bit of space so they can explore. She's going back to the van. All right, Chief? Right, so just put Spirit back in. He's gone into bed, and she's coming out for a little walk on her own now. Alright, hey, good girl. A bit further than we've been before, so it's quite a nice way to explore. I'll take it by the trees up there. We're just going to have a little explore. Nice horse walker there. This lovely sun. Quick look around, and then we'll take her back and let her have a snooze while I can get some video and Iain working. Come on then. He's just trying to figure out how to get the fuel sender in and everything to fit Hope. And then we've got some time left. I'll have a look about seeing this, getting the reverse camera and the radio section fitted, or whatever I need for that. Hopefully it's the next job on the list for him, apart from all the MOT work, but we're in credit for the radio work and the camera work, so we'll see what we can do about that. What's that? So again, lovely rough ground for her to explore and have all these different smells to enjoy. I say we never walked this far up away from Iain's, this side. Good girl. So her confidence again is really good. Went to say hello to somebody, and a very good girl. As I say, we don't really do the meeting and greeting with Mischief. She tends to sort of stay hidden. Well, that's what more Spirit's for. You know, he needs a bit more training than that. We don't really try to avoid people, but he did really well. I also wanted to keep coming to me and getting the confirmation from me that everything was okay. Oh, is that good, Chief, eh? What's in there? I say it's all good to actually, you know, every time we stop, have an explore and have her time out. What's that, darling? What can you see? Right, so I'm going to turn us off now. I'll catch you later. Good girl, good boy. Just gonna get a close up. What have you got? What are you watching? What is it, Spirit? What is it? What did you see? It's that cold. We have Spirit on my lap. Just sat doing in the front of the van. Chief was desperate to go to bed, but she's gone to bed in the pram so she can keep an eye on everything outside. It's absolutely freezing fog here. Iain's still at it, bless him. We're desperate for this heat right now. Obviously I've got to have the door open when I'm got the cats out and about. So I am in my fleece, just sat in the driver's seat. And my hands, I can hardly feel my hands at all, so really looking forward to this heater to try it in a bit. We all are. It's nice for Spirit to be sat on my lap for a cuddle, to be fair. So this will show you just how foggy and cold it is. This is the same day as us walking down with the pram this morning. You can't even see the pond, can we? Eh? Freezing fog everywhere. It's 6 degrees in the van. Just had to look at the temperature. Oh dear. Lord Iain struggling with the diesel heater. I don't think we're going to be doing much else today apart from that. I would have had enough of my van, so I don't think the radio and the camera is going to be touched. I just want to get it warm. You come in? Do you want to come? She said, I want to hunt. It's so cold. Yeah, the pheasants have been really busy today, going past and having a look and saying hello to everybody. Come on then. She just jumped up on my shoulder. Yeah. She does this when she wants to see around. And right down the bottom by the duck pond there's some more hen or something crossing the road. You right, darling? Go back to the van. Come round, turn around, look here. You better make my face. Teeth. Oi, come here. Look at mummy. You can turn around. Come here. You turn around, Teeth. What's this? Come here. Puss. There we go. Good girl. There we go. Oh, it's a cold one. Yeah, say hello to everybody. You love me. Hey, you good girl. Purring. She's nesting on me. Oh, you good girl. Look at that spotty botty. Isn't he beautiful? Yeah, I just did a test run. Getting muddy feet everywhere. But we have heat coming out from under the bed. We're just trying to understand all the readings and everything. But she's primed and working. Gone from 6 degrees to 11.7, 12. It's a bit warmer, isn't it? Oh my god, how quick that is and how warm this room feels is absolutely amazing. You see the cats are quite happy. Windows are demisting. And then as soon as you open the door there, you can feel how the difference of temperature. So I'm hoping with the diesel heater and the air vents, we'll be able to open that door and it's going to circulate all the way through. We're going to be much better and much warmer, whereas the radiator, the heat didn't transfer anywhere. So yeah, really happy. Just trying to make sense of it. And Ian's now reading up about the radio camera thing. Obviously running out of time, but because it's taking him a lot of pain to sort this out. It's a learning curve. Obviously I don't know how it works. He's got to read the instructions and everything. But oh my word, this is so nice and cosy in here now with this heat blowing. Very happy. Thank you, Iain. So we're home about now. Diesel heater's working. Planned all the sort of radio stuff and everything. Just waiting for the horses to come down. So we'll fetch them in the fields. This is a good time, isn't it? Yeah, so we sort of taken all day to do that. So I had a little look at the radio kit. He's going to let me know what wiring to do, what things we need to make that up. Obviously it needs to be wiring through the van as well to compare with the diesel heater, to do a fuse and goodness whatever. So we've got to sort of focus on getting all the power sorted. But fingers crossed when we get home I will have a diesel heater. I will try that out. That's all that matters at the moment. Catch you later.